you just told your 9-year-old he's got cancer. And he goes, that's okay, I'll be fine. And I went, okay, we got this, let's go.
I remember doing a lot of like ultrasounds, like bone marrow things that kind of just poke you to look at, just to make sure you're okay, blood tests, and all the other, putting the million stickers, EKG, whatever it's called. A lot of that, I don't know. It was just a lot.
Then the nurse comes in, she says, Dr. Kearney wants to see you. Then your heart drops. He's the strongest kid I know. And to tell him, I'm sorry it's back again.
Just be myself, knowing that I'm in good hands. So, I don't think when you get sick like this, you should be always on the down for it, because it affects people in your room. And I know it gets hard, but when you be yourself, be smiling, it changes the atmosphere of even like the nurses that come in, or your friends that are staying, the family. So I guess just being yourself and being happy in dark situations always makes for a better outcome. That affects more than just the patient. Like families are affected, friends outside that may or not know. But yeah, I think it just affects more than just the people in the room. Ollie, 100%. Ollie the clown. That guy is a beauty. Always made me laugh. Comes into some tricks or he even taught us a card game, golf, that we play to this day. We teach new people all the time about it. So he definitely was the person that made me, smile a lot. So God bless that man. I think it's being able to help people. Being able just to talk about my story, maybe reach people, or even just going to like events and speaking and putting children's out there, especially this hospital has done so much for me and my family. I think they deserve all this recognition that they're getting. So I think that's probably the best, So I finished high school, graduated that recently, so that was fun. Got to throw my little cap in the air, even though you weren't supposed to, but come on. I was gonna throw the cap regardless. Besides that, it's all about just, trying to be on the path to electrician, so getting in anywhere I can, trying to get an apprenticeship, and trying to get into a school. Nurses, doctors, anyone, they did the best for me. And I don't know if it was my childish nature that made it easier for them or not. Just me just being happy as they walked in. I don't know if that made it easier for them or made it I couldn't tell you, but I try my best to make sure they leave with a smile, as they always made me smile when they walked in. So, gotta make it, payment go back and forth. So I have nothing but the utmost respect for them, and I gotta thank them with all my heart, because they did everything that they did to help me, and it's only right if I do something back. So.
The support here in London with the nurses, the doctors, you guys, Ollie, every activity that you guys help these kids go through is family. Like, I walk in here and everybody knows Luca. Everybody knows us. They see us. If I haven't seen you in like 6 months, they'll see us in the hallway and they're like, hey, how's it going? Great. I know walking in here, everybody knows what's going on with him. Everybody's taking care of him. Everybody knows what everybody needs in here. And to have that comfort knowing that you have a family in this hospital when you're by yourself is absolutely amazing. And knowing no matter what you need, you ask for it and it's yours. You can't get any better than here in London. And I tell everybody that. So thank you for taking care of our family. Twice.